What's going on? Your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got an Infiniti M37. It came in, had a few dents and dings in it. It was already a factory green from Infiniti, but the customer liked green, but he wanted us to make a green. So I mixed up some of the greens I had, add some pearl to it, and this is the way it came out. John's Restoration. Remember, in between those restorations, we still got those insurance claims coming in. Give us a call, 757-713-2277. Pearl flipping kind of nice right there on that quarter. Not too much, just a subtle look. Not sure if he's gonna put rims on the car or keep it factory. Either way you do. John Restoration. Good day.